Hello guys, I'm Shopra. Welcome to my Instagram video channel. Today I'm talking an important matter, that is PowerPoint animation. So you can see that a span I can create a animation part now. So firstly I can take a blank page. I can see that a layout point. Click here and then select blank page. Okay, alright. And then I create a shape. You can see that the shape button and click and then select a rectangle shape and then first. Okay, same I can take a shape and here first, and then I create a crop. So you can see that arrange button and now click and then create a crop. Okay, same I take a shape for sun, shape for boat, this is a color keyboard, and then I click and search our home and shuffle the color, and I then select this color. Now I take a shape I can take a black. Okay, and then create a crop. I click home button and then arrange, and you can see a crop. Okay, click now. This is a crop, and now you set sun position. Now I take another shape for cloud. Copy paste. Copy paste. This is cloud. I change shape. Okay, sun shape I change. Yeah. Okay now, and then I create a crop of cloud. Okay, all are okay. My general slide is okay, and then I create animation part. So firstly, you can see that board. This is a board, and this is waterfall, and then I create a waterfall board. So arrange and in backward, arrange back. Nice. And then I create animation. So I click animation and then add animation. You can see that here animation part, entrance, emphasis, axis, or motion part. If you create animation part here, you click more motion part and then click right. This is okay. Okay, I select here and click here, and then copy this and paste small or here fit. I create a crop. Select from arrange and then crop. Okay, this made a crop, and then I copy and paste or create a crop. Arrange and create a crop, and then I select from arrange and crop. Okay, this made a crop, and then I copy and paste or create a crop. Arrange and create a crop, and then I select from arrange and create a crop. And then I copy and paste or create a crop. Arrange and create a crop, and then I select from arrange and create a crop. And then I and then I set a animation. Yeah, more animation part, or right to left. You can see that. And here I select animation. Oh no, sorry. Left to right. Right to left. Okay. You can see that. And animation panel. Great. Select previous. All are previous. Or I select previous and play. My board no moving. So smallest stroke. It's more than 0 seconds. Okay, now ready our animation panel to start. You can see duration I press. Yeah, you can see that the animation part with PowerPoint. You can easily make it. I suggest you uh, you firstly take a blank page or create or take some shapes for waterfall, and then take a shape for boat, and then create a flag, and then cloud, and then sun, and lastly you take animation selection, and then add practice type of animation. So you can easily this type of animation. Uh, so guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and like and share and subscribe to the channel. Okay, tada, bye bye.